do you think Jamaicans are dominating the Americans in these Olympics? Today's video is interesting. Jamaica! Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works for those who are new here, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. It's free and we are road to 10,000 subscribers. And on today's video, we are diving into a very interesting topic. And we are diving into a very interesting topic. And before I start the video, happy Independence Day to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. We love you so much. Today's video is interesting. Paris 2024. The city of lights is shining even brighter as athletes from all over the world are competing for the Olympics glory. But there is this one nation particularly that is catching everyone's attention. Jamaica! Why do you think Jamaicans are dominating the Americans in these Olympics? So make sure you comment down below and let's keep the conversation going down below. So watch this video till the end, and also make sure you subscribe. So to understand Jamaican current dominance, we need to look at their history in athletics. Jamaica has a rich history of excellence in sports, especially in track and field events. From the legend Usain Bolt to the ever-inspiring Sherry and Fraser Praise, Jamaican sprinters have constantly been among the best in the world. But how did this small island nation rise to such a prominence on the global stage? So let's break it down. And one of the key reasons behind Jamaican success is their exceptional training and talent development programs. And one of the coaches said that their training programs are intense and tailored to bring out the best in their athletes. And they emphasize on technique, strength, and mental toughness. And he also stated that they start training people at a young age, identifying and nurturing talents through various programs and competitions. So the young people are being encouraged to push their limits and dream big. And their support from community and coaches is very incredible. And Jamaican's grassroots programs, such as the Inter-Secondary School Boys and Girls Championship, often they refer them as champs, play a very important role. For those who don't know, the champs is a national high school competition that is fiercely consistent and contested, and has been the breeding ground for many Jamaicans' top athletes. So another factor is cultural pride and support. The pride of representing Jamaicans fuels their athletes, and the entire nation relies behind their competitors, providing an unmatched level of support and motivation. So when athletes step on the track, they carry the hopes and dream of every Jamaican. They believe in them and they believe in themselves. And this national pride creates a powerful sense of purpose and responsibility among Jamaican athletes, driving them into excel. Jamaican athletes have not only been dominant in sprints, but have also shown remarkable versatility in other events. And their adaptability and dedication have translated into multiple medals across various disciplines. These guys have also raised their bars in track and field, and their performance at the Paris 2024 Olympics is a testament to their hard work and the country's commitment to excellence. And this versatility is a result of comprehensive training regimens that focuses on building well-rounded athletes capable of excelling in various events. Coaching excellence and innovation have also been a key to Jamaican success. Jamaican coaches are renowned for their expertise and innovating training methods. They also focus on individual training programs that caters to each athlete's specific needs. They use cutting edge technology and continuously updates their methods to stay ahead of the competition. And this commitment to coaching excellence ensures that Jamaican athletes are always at the forefront of performance enhancement and injury prevention. Another thing is about strategic planning and investment. And strategic planning and investment in sports infrastructure have played a crucial role in Jamaican's Olympic success. The Jamaican government and private sectors have invested significantly in developing world-class facilities and supporting athletes financially. They have also implemented policies and initiatives that ensures their athletes receive the best possible support. From scholarships to training facilities, they are committed to providing everything they need to succeed. And this strategic investment has created an environment where athletes can focus solely on their training and performance. Another thing is about nutritional and psychological support. As you know that they are also critical components of Jamaican's athletic success. And proper nutrition and mental health are essential for peak performance. And they also design personalized nutrition plans that optimize each athlete's performance and recovery. They ensure that they receive the right balance of nutrients to fuel their training and competitions. And as you all know that mental toughness is just as important as physical strength. They provide psychological support to help athletes cope with the pressure of competitions and maintain their focus. And this holistic approach ensures that Jamaican athletes are physically and mentally prepared to compete at the highest level. Jamaican success on the global stage has also had a profound impact beyond the island. Jamaican athletes serve as a role model and source of inspiration for young athletes worldwide. And I personally, watching Jamaican athletes dominate the Olympics motivates me to train harder and dream bigger. They show that with dedication and hard work, anything is possible. And through this global impact, it has helped elevate the profile of athletics and inspire the next generation of champions. And on the other side, while the USA has traditionally been a powerhouse in athletics, Jamaica's focused approach and relentless pursuit of greatness have allowed them to outperform their American counterparts in several key events. And let's take a closer look at the factors that are contributing to this shift. The level of competition and the rise of Jamaican athletes have forced the USA to reevaluate its own training programs. While the USA has a larger pool of athletes, Jamaica's targeted approach has proven to be incredibly effective. And this analysis highlights the importance of strategic planning, cultural factors, and dedicated support system in achieving Olympic success. And as the Paris 2024 Olympics continue, Jamaica's athletes are proving that determination, talent, and national pride can lead to extraordinary success. And looking ahead, the future of Jamaican athletics appears brighter than ever. And with continued investment in training, infrastructure, and support, Jamaica poised to remain a dominant force in global athletics. Thank you so much for joining me onto this journey to explore why Jamaicans are winning over Americans in Paris Olympics 2024. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more updates and highlights from the games. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.